My strawberry peach crisp recipe is such a fun and easy way to use fresh and or frozen fruit. Here's how I make mine. I'm going to use frozen peach slices for this, but I'm going to cut them down in bite-sized pieces into a large bowl. To that, I'm going to chop up some fresh strawberries, and as long as you have 5 cups of fruit, you're good. Then sprinkle in the cornstarch, mix it in until all the fruit is covered. To that, we'll sprinkle in a little bit of granulated sugar, and zest an orange. Also add in the juice of the orange for lots of extra flavor. Stir everything together until well combined, and then pour it in a 9x13 baking dish. Use a rubber spatula to get all those juices in there, and then flatten out the fruit. Set it aside, and then we'll make our crumble. In a separate bowl, combine the flour, oats, brown sugar, and then for flavor, we'll add a little bit of salt, cinnamon, and a little bit of baking powder. Use a spoon to mix all those dry ingredients together, and then to bind it all together, I'll add in some melted coconut oil. I love using coconut oil for this to add a tropical flavor, but you can also use melted butter. Stir it in until there is no more loose dry ingredients, and then you're ready to sprinkle it on top of the fruit, making sure to get the corners and the edges for an even layer. Then into our 350 Fahrenheit degree oven it goes until nice and golden. And a good sign you'll see is that the fruit is nice and bubbly on the sides. Let it cool for about 5 to 10 minutes, and then you're ready to enjoy this delicious, warm, fruity cobbler. Find the full recipe at FrenchKissCook.com. Click on the icon to subscribe to our channel and on the video for more recipes.